Okay, so this is for our question 4 and 5, which asks you for the gradient and y-intercept and then to graph the graphs. So the gradient and y-intercept might be a way of helping you graph the graphs. So if it's in question 4 in this form, I know that y equals mx plus c, so my gradient is -3 and my y-intercept c is equal to 3. And for this one, the gradient is equal to 3 on 2 and the y-intercept is equal to 1. It's also asking me to graph them. So I know straight away that my y-intercept is 3. And I could use a gradient triangle to give me -3. So if I go down 3 and across 1, so down 3 and across 1. My rise is -3, my run is 1, therefore there is my second point. I can now draw a straight line between those two. That's at 1 and that's at 3. So I've drawn the graph. Looking at the second one, I know my y-intercept is at 1. And the gradient is rise over run, 3 on 2. So I can go up 3, 1, 2, 3 to 4, and across 2 to 2. And there is my second point, 2 and 4. And then I could draw the straight line between the 2 points. If I needed to label the x-intercept, I could set y equal to 0, 3n on 2x plus 1, -1 equals 3 on 2x, -2 equals 3x, x equals -2/3. So it's going to be -2/3. Looking at question number 5, it's the same question. State the gradient and y-intercept and then sketch. So to be able to find gradient and y-intercept, I need to rearrange, because I need it in the form of y equals mx plus c. So -3y equals -2x plus 6. Notice that I placed my 2x in the first position because I wanted it in the form of mx, but it was -2x because it had to be minused. And then y equals -2x on -3 plus 6 on -3. So y equals 2x on 3 minus 2. So my gradient in this case is 2/3 and my y-intercept is -2. Rearranging the second one, 3y equals -4x plus 12. Y equals -4x on 3 plus 12 on 3 equals -4/3 x plus 4. So my gradient is -4/3 and my y-intercept is 4. How would I draw these graphs? Drawing a set of axes. I know that my y-intercept is -2, so I can put a dot at -2. And I know that I need to go up 2 and across 3. So I go up 1, up 2 gives me 0, across 2, 3. There's my second point, and I can draw a straight line between those points. Keeping in mind my rise is 2 and my run is 3, therefore 2/3 is going to be my gradient. And lastly, 5F, drawing a graph. I know my y-intercept is 4, and my gradient, which is rise over run, is down 4, across 3, down 4 to 0, across 3 to 3, and then I can draw a straight line between those 2 points. So there are 4 of them. I'm drawing the gradient, I'm finding out the gradient and y-intercept, and that's assisting me to be able to draw the equation.